Once upon a time, in a magical land called Storyville, there lived a brave and curious young girl named Lily. Lily had a special gift for storytelling, and she loved to explore the enchanting corners of her world, searching for new adventures to share with others. In the first part of our story, Lily stumbled upon a mysterious old book tucked away in a dusty corner of the local library. Its cover was worn and weathered, but the pages inside seemed to glow with a magical light. As she opened the book, an enchanting map appeared, showing a hidden path leading deep into the heart of an ancient forest. With her trusty companion, a mischievous talking squirrel named Nutmeg, by her side, Lily embarked on a thrilling journey into the unknown. As they ventured further into the forest, strange and fantastical creatures emerged from the shadows. There were playful sprites, wise old owls, and even a grumpy yet wise old wizard named Merlin. In the midst of their adventure, Lily discovered a mysterious riddle carved into the trunk of an ancient tree. Beyond the moonlit grove, where fireflies freely rove, a secret awaits, hidden from sight, in a realm of dreams, day and night. Determined to solve the riddle and unlock the secret, Lily and Nutmeg followed the moonlit path deeper into the forest. They discovered a hidden portal, disguised as an ordinary-looking rock, which transported them to a magical realm known as Dreamland. Dreamland was a wondrous place, filled with floating islands, cotton candy clouds, and dancing unicorns. But something was amiss. The once vibrant colors of Dreamland had faded, and the creatures who lived there seemed trapped in a deep slumber. Lily soon learned that Dreamland's magical essence, known as the Dreamstone, had been stolen by a wicked sorceress named Morgana. Without the Dreamstone, the dreams of all the children in the world would cease to exist. To save Dreamland and restore the dreams of children everywhere, Lily would have to embark on an epic quest. With the help of newfound friends, a brave knight, a mischievous pixie, and a gentle giant, they would face daring challenges, overcome fearsome obstacles, and unlock the power of friendship and imagination. Will Lily and her friends succeed in their mission and restore the Dreamstone? What adventures and dangers lie ahead on their journey through Dreamland? Join us for the next part of the story to find out. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for part 2, where the thrilling quest to save Dreamland continues. Together, let's discover the power of dreams and the magic that lies within us all.